It's simple. If you want to get 99% more views than all the other dropshippers out there, you have to do 99% of what dropshippers are not willing to do. I know this sounds obvious, but the dropshipping space is very confusing with people telling you all different sorts of strategies and things to do. If you're on YouTube and you're watching videos, you'll realize that a lot of gurus out there say some wild shit. You'll have some people tell you to copy and replicate existing viral e-com videos. You'll have some other gurus that will give you some hooks that are proven to work. Apparently that would make your videos go viral. Let's be real, most dropshippers are stuck at 200 views. All these copying, 3-second hooks, retention strategies / tricks are largely a distraction. And to prove my point, I'm going to be showing you the videos of the top organic dropshippers. By the way, my name is Andy Mai and I help entrepreneurs start and scale their online businesses without having to grind 9 to 10 hours a day, quit your 9 to 5 job, or without following some trends. So if you're down for that, let's keep watching. Aesthetic is king. Here's a simple strategy used by the top TikTok brands to get more views. It's called visual commerce. Begin by establishing a visually striking scene, curating the background and props, and ensuring that everything aligns with your brand aesthetic. This sets the stage and provides context for your product showcase. Example, a cozy living room setup with a comfy couch, soft pillows, and warm lighting. So, introduce the product in a way where it seamlessly blends into the setting. An example would be you unboxing the shark blanket, wearing it, and showing its fun design and soft material in many different angles. But now an unexpected element occurs that grabs attention and keeps viewers engaged. This could be an innovative use of the product, a surprising reveal, or a creative visual effect. Example, showing someone wear the shark blanket while chilling on the couch, then transitioning to using it as a playful costume in fun, unexpected scenarios. Then finally, sealing the deal, reinforcing the product's appeal and leaving a lasting impression. Use final shots to encapsulate the product's benefits and the overall aesthetic. Example, ending with a wide shot of the living room, beautifully lit, with the person comfortably wrapped in the shark blanket, emphasizing its coziness and fun design, tying the entire visual story together.